If you are a UI UX designer in 2026 or even someone who works closely with the design, one thing is very clear. AI tools are everywhere. Every week, a new platform claims it can design faster, generate better interfaces, automate your workflow, or even replace half your process. But the real question is, which ones are actually useful? So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 AI tools for UI UX design. Some are best for fast wireframing, some for polished UI generation, some fit perfectly into a professional workflow, and one of them stands out because it connects design directly with the development. By the end of this video, you will know which tool is best for your kind of work, whether you're a beginner, a freelancer, part of a product team, or someone who wants to move faster from idea to final output. So now, let's get into it. The first and foremost one we have is Anima AI. This tool takes the top place because it solves one of the biggest gaps in the modern product work, the gap between design and development. A lot of tools help you generate ideas. Some help you build screens faster, some improve workflow, but Anima AI goes beyond that. It helps take decisions and push them towards actual development output. You can write a prompt and get your app instantly. Type in what you want to build and Anima AI brings it to life right in front of you. Switch the style to fluffy, make it heavy, give it a retro feel, all with just a few clicks. You can also change the details and adjust the design. And when you're done, your work is saved and ready to share. You can push it to GitHub and share it on your resume. Anima AI makes the whole journey faster than you ever thought possible. It is a design to development bridge, and that makes it extremely useful in the real world, where the goal is not only to make attractive screens, but to move those screens efficiently into products people can actually build and ship. So if your goal is to work faster across both the design and development, this is easily one of the strongest AI tools for UI UX in 2026. And at number 2, we have Relume AI. This one is incredibly strong, especially if your focus is web design, software as service products, landing pages, or website structure. What makes Relume different is that it does not just help with one screen, it helps with the broader architecture of the experience. You type in what your product does and it can generate a sitemap, page ideas, wireframes, and components that fit into a larger web design workflow. That is huge. And for example, you can type something like high-performance sports training facility sitemap and provide proper instructions, and just like that, watch what happens. Within seconds, Relume generates a full sitemap for the entire website. You can see it is already thinking about the pages you need. You can also update section titles and descriptions, and also add the content you like. You can also add a new page, rename sections, or reorganize the whole structure just by dragging things around. So before, you used to open a design tool, you would spend hours, sometimes days, planning the whole structure. What pages do we need, what goes where, and how does the navigation connect? Relume just does that for you in seconds. And the best part is, this is not just a rough list. These are actual structured pages, suggestions that you can edit, remove, or expand based on your project needs. So once the sitemaps looks good, you move into wireframe generation, and Relume builds out the actual page layouts based on this structure. And at number 3, we have Figma AI. Figma AI is already where most designers spend the majority of their time. So having AI built directly into that environment changes everything. What makes Figma AI special is simple. It's not a separate tool. It's not another tab you have to open. It just works right inside the workspace you're already in, which means zero context switching. So let me show you how it works. As you can see, you can just give a prompt and it builds the entire code for that, and it also provides the output. You can also change according to your requirements. The Figma MCP server brings your design context directly into your coding tools like VS Code, Cursor, and Claude. That means your AI coding assistant can now see your Figma designs and actually understand the layout, components, and styles while writing the code. You don't have to switch tabs or manually describe your design to an AI. This saves a lot of time. Because before this, you would sit down, open a blank canvas, and spend a long time just figuring out what screens you will need, what comes first, and how one screen leads to the next. This whole planning would take you hours of time. That is what makes this tool so easy to adopt. It does not ask you to change how you design. It just makes every part of the process move faster. And that is why Figma AI is on number 3. Next, we have Galileo AI. This one genuinely surprises people the first time they use it because the output looks far more polished than what you would expect from an AI design generator. So let me show you how it works. You type a prompt and watch what happens. Within seconds, Galileo generates a fully designed screen, an actual visually polished UI with proper hierarchy, clean components, and a layout that already looks like something a designer worked on. But here is where it gets better. Galileo does not just give you one option. It gives you a few different design directions to choose from. Different layouts, different styles, different color directions, all from the same prompt. So you can pick one that feels right without having to start over. And on top of that, you can also drop in a screenshot or a reference image and Galileo will generate a new design inspired by that visual. It reads the style, the layout, and the overall feel and builds from there. So instead of describing everything in words, you just show it what you want. And that is why Galileo AI takes the number 4 spot. Number 5, we have Uizard. It is designed for people who do not want to spend hours building a wireframe from scratch. Whether you're a founder, a product manager, or a complete beginner, Uizard makes getting started incredibly easy for you. So let me quickly show you how it works. You type a prompt and add a few details about what you need. Just like that, within seconds, Uizard generates a complete set of wireframe screens. It generates a home screen, a profile page, and it also thinks through the basic flow and gives you something visual to work with right away. But here is where it gets interesting. Uizard also lets you drop in a hand-drawn sketch, something you quickly draw on paper, and it converts that rough drawing into an actual digital wireframe. How interesting is that? So even if you cannot describe everything in words, you can just sketch it out and let Uizard do the rest. And from there, you can edit the screens, swap the layout, change the content, and move things around until it feels right. This is why Uizard takes the number 5 spot. The templates look clean and the layout generation is fast, and you do not need deep Figma experience to use it. So if your goal is early stage prototyping and fast communication, Uizard is a strong pick. So those were the top 5 AI tools for UI UX design in 2026. Now the important thing here is this. The best tool depends on what kind of work you actually do. If you want the strongest design to development flow, Anima is probably the smartest pick on this list. If you build websites and software as service products, Relume should be your go-to. If your entire workflow already is in Figma like designs, prototypes, collaboration, then Figma AI is the obvious choice. You do not need to learn a new tool or change how you work. It's the right pick when you want to move faster inside the same workspace. And if you want beautiful design starting points, then Galileo AI is the best. And if you're just trying to move from idea to wireframe quickly, Uizard would be your go-to. So AI is not replacing good design thinking, but it is definitely changing how quickly that thinking can turn into the output. And that is the real shift happening in UI UX right now. So the question is not whether designers should use AI tools. The question is which AI tools are actually worth using. And hopefully by now you have a much clearer answer. So which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do like and follow us for more videos like this.